With Canva in Aweber, you can customize images and logos with a click of a button. No need to integrate or hire a designer to do it. Come check it out. When you're creating an email, just drag the image element over, and you'll see the button to design on Canva right there in the menu. From there, you can add your own images or use some of the stock images that Canva provides. And you have the ability to customize the exact look and feel of your logo or image. And just like that, it's added right into your Aweber email. As you can see, in just a few clicks, you can customize logos, images, and add them right to your email. Canva's even integrated directly with Aweber landing pages as well. So try it out in your account today. And if you don't have an account, don't worry, it's absolutely free to sign up. Until next time.